understanding the phrase, mend the fences. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, mend the fences. This phrase is not just about physical fences but carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning. Let's dive into its significance and usage. Mend the fences originally comes from the literal action of repairing fences on a property. The phrase has evolved to take on a metaphorical meaning. It's now commonly used to describe the act of repairing or improving a relationship that has been damaged, especially due to a disagreement or misunderstanding. In this section, we'll explore how mending symbolizes fixing or resolving issues, and why a fence is used as a metaphor for relationships. A fence, which separates and protects, can symbolize the boundaries or barriers in a relationship. When we mend the fence, we are essentially fixing the barriers that have caused division or harm. Here, we'll look at examples of how to use mend the fences in different contexts. For instance, 1. After their argument, they decided it was time to mend the fences. 2. The meeting was an opportunity for the two countries to mend the fences. These examples will help learners understand how the phrase can be applied in everyday conversations and in more formal contexts. This section will introduce similar phrases and expressions, such as bury the hatchet or bridge the gap. We'll discuss how these phrases carry similar meanings and can be used interchangeably in some contexts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, mend the fences. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding not just the phrase itself, but also the rich metaphorical language used in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every phrase you learn is a step forward. Happy learning!